All right, I want to share with you today 3 favorite features of these heavy-duty wheel chocks. First thing, have these serrated edges down here. It's going to allow it to grip onto the ground just a little bit better. So I do really like that. And the second thing I like is that when using these, you're using something that's actually designed for this. It has a nice curve to it. It's right to the shape of your tire. Get it right under there, much better than throwing a brick or a piece of wood or something like that I've seen other people do. I like using things that are actually meant for this. So the third thing I like is that it has a little spot there that you can either use for tying them together, or in my case, makes it for easy storage hanging here on the wall in the garage.